Hello humans! I got a new kitten! That's unrelated to the video today, but he'll be playing around in the background and hopefully not causing too much trouble, or else I'll have to kick him out of the room. Anyway, it's June, which means it's Pride Month, and as a fellow queer, I have to do some makeup looks for it. So we're going to be doing the bi flag today because I am bi. I like all genders pretty much, and bi fits me, so anyway. I'm going to be using this NYX palette. It's nice and rainbow, very cute. I think I'm gonna be using the blues from it and like the darker pinks. And then I have this little ColourPop quad, which was part of their Zodiac collection. This is the Cancer one because I am a Cancer. I really like this like one in the corner that's like this like really shimmery, oops. It's kind of like a pink and blue at the same time. It's very cool, but I definitely want to use that. So let's get started. I have my mirror below me, so if I am looking down and not at the camera, that is because I am looking at my mirror. Also, I am basically blind without my glasses, so if I'm squinting a bunch, it's because I can't see. Anyway, let's get started. I really need like a small mirror that I can just like hold up. Like some palettes have a little mirror like on the inside. This one doesn't. Also, this is not the color I'm starting with. I don't know why I picked that up. Okay, so we're gonna start with the pink from this little quad, which is going to go on like the inside of the top lid right here. I am wondering if this will be easier to do in my camera thing than in my actual mirror. I feel like I make really ugly faces when I'm doing this. Well, not ugly, but just like weird. I don't like calling myself ugly. Yeah, this is definitely easier to do in my camera than on my actual mirror, or else I would be hunched down like this the entire time. Bring this up a little bit. I don't know if I mentioned already, but I already did my base and my eyebrows, because that's the boring part. I basically do the same like simple routine every single time. I've been using Urban Decay's tinted moisturizer and I really like it so far. I used to wear like really heavy foundation, but I got tired of putting it on every day, so I stopped doing it. Okay, and now I'm gonna go in with one of these pinks. I think I'm gonna do the top pink. Ooh, that's so bright. Having an eyebrow piercing while doing this is kind of a challenge, to be honest. I don't want to bring this too far down because I'm going to do blue underneath and then I'm going to do purple like eyeliner. So I grabbed this little thing, which is just like a piece of foam, but you wipe off your brushes on it so then they're less dusty and you don't have to wash them as much. I don't wash my brushes nearly as much as I do, or as I should. I'm just going to soften out these edges a little bit. Very pink, very cute. Okay, and now for the other eye. This one is going on much nicer than the other eye did. I like to do like very fierce eyeshadow because then it's less work I have to do with eyeliner. Because the color is the whole look basically. Okay, grab, where did I put my, here, there. As I said, I put things down right next to me and I can't see them. So I'm gonna go in with blue on the bottom. I'm gonna start with this like light, like tealish blue color, which I'm hoping won't be too teal. I think it should be fine. Wow, there's a lot of powder on that. And we're gonna go in with that underneath the eye. Kind of make me look like I have a black eye, to be honest. We will fix it. With a lot of sparkles. Cute. And then I'm going to do darker blue. I'm gonna do this one on the end. And I'm just gonna bring that up here. I kind of like that since I already brought the pink down, it's already doing a purplish color. Very cute. wipe off my brush again, and then just smooth out the edges. When I can't see my look, I kind of just have to go from muscle memory. So sometimes it looks kind of messy until I actually fix it. I'm gonna put my glasses on so I can see what I'm doing. Yeah, I quite like that. I think that's very cute and very fun. Okay, so now for, well, I say the hard part. It's not that hard, it just requires me to actually pay attention to what I am doing, and I cannot do it from muscle memory. So I'm going to do like a purple stripe, but I don't have an actual purple liner, so we're going to make one using this dark purple right here. I think I'm gonna start with the lighter one and do that on the inside and then make it go darker as it goes out like I did with the other colors. Also, can you see Tuxedo back here? He's being so cute. You're being cute. He's just being a little loaf. Yeah, so cute. Okay, for this one I'm definitely gonna have to look in my mirror, so I might not even record the process of doing this and I'll just show you what it looks like when I'm done. I am back. I have done the purple and I remembered I do have a purple eyeliner, but it's like a cream one, which I don't like for doing wings. I normally like using liquid ones, but this definitely helped to get the color I wanted. Also, my eye is watering a bit because I accidentally stabbed myself with my brush. Also, my cat is clawing at me. Hey, 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 hey. Okay, you're running away. Silly baby. Anyway, so here are the colors. I think they're very fun and very vibrant. I added a bit more blue too, just because it wasn't quite as vivid as I wanted it to be. I think it looks very fun. So now we get to add all of the sparkles and the glitter, which is my favorite part. So I'm going to go in with that like shiny bluish color, which kind of has a little pink, and just put that in the corner of my eye. I normally just do this with a finger. He is running around like crazy behind me. If you hear any noises, it's him. So I'm just gonna put some sparkle there. I think that looks so fun. I love glitter. I'm gonna bring it down on the bottom a little bit too. Cute. Let's see how that looks. Cute, fun, love it. Wish my eye would stop watering. So now, glitter. Okay, so this was part of ColourPop's Sailor Moon collection. It's their little like glittery things. I'm just gonna put a couple little glitters on the top because I think that will look very fun. Trying to make sure that like the big chunks of glitter don't get stuck together too much. Hey, don't attack my feet, Tux. Little bean. What do you think? Like it? So cute. I'm gonna try to stab myself this time. Cute. We have been glittered. Which I can't see with my glasses on very well. But it's very sparkly and very cute. Now that the eyes are basically done, I am going to do blush. I'm using this little Bobbi Brown blush. It's a nice little soft pink. I use this blush for everything because it is my absolute favorite. And I like having a little round pink cheeks. I think they're very cute. A bit on my nose, which will probably make my nose run because that's what it always does, but very cute, very shiny, very fun. I am back. Gonna add a bit more blush when I can actually see it. Pink is such a nice color. I love pink. And now to do mascara, which is ColourPop's Act Natural mascara in this nice black. I actually got this for free. It was offered as like a free trial product with my last ColourPop purchase. And it's like a full-size mascara, which is awesome. So cute. And then I am going to take my, what is this? This KVD? Yeah, this is KVD Alchemist Holographic Highlighter Palette. Gonna go in with the pink opal shade and just do a bit of highlight right here. And although it's a little more difficult on this side because I have a piercing right there, Still gonna put a bit on here anyway. Love that. And I'm gonna add a bit of highlighter on my nose, just for that cute little shine. A little bit on my cheeks. And on my Cupid's bow. And then for the final step, lips. This is the Sailor Moon ColourPop collection color. I don't remember what color this is. It doesn't say it on the thing, but it's an ultra blotted lip, which is my favorite formula. They're so nice. They're not like as heavy as like a lipstick would be, but they still have like these really nice colors. And that is my finished look. I think it's very fun and very cute. You can't really see the sparkles when I have my glasses on because the light just reflects off my glasses. But if I take it off, you can see them much better. I think it's so cute. I'm gonna go take a bunch of selfies now because I think it looks really fun and cute. That is it for today's video. So like and subscribe, comment if you want to, suggestions. I'm gonna have another fun makeup one for Pride Month coming soon. And that's it. Bye! Okay, before I say bye, I forgot this light I have has a brighter setting so you can actually see it a lot better when the light is brighter and you can see all the glitter and stuff. So there's a slightly better look. Okay, bye for real this time. Bye-bye!